How to delete one picture from multiple pictures on a post in Instagram. So, the very first step is to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, choose the multiple photos or pictures on your post. So you may only do this if you have three or more pictures on your post. If you only have two pictures on that post, then you may not have this feature. So click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of your post and then click on edit right here. Once you clicked on edit, scroll up a little bit and you may be able to see this bin icon found on the upper left corner. So scroll to the right or move or swipe to the left and choose the photo you want to delete. So again, click on this bin button or trash icon found on the upper left corner of your post and click on done and wait for it to load. So that's it. That's how you can delete one picture from multiple pictures on a post in Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.